don't forget, Cousin Mary's getting married on Saturday.
She's not marrying that boring policeman, is she?
Don't be so rude. Oh dear, what am I going to wear? I think we should all go shopping for wedding outfits on Saturday.
I've got a perfectly decent suit already, haven't I?
You've grown about 15 centimetres since you last wore it.
Have I?
Yes, you were only 13 when we bought it. Go and find some nice outfits. And let's meet at the changing rooms in half an hour, shall we? We've already got our outfits. Show us what you've chosen, will you? That shirt's a bit bright, isn't it? You know what I'm going to say, don't you?
Yes, it's too short.
Much too short. You know what you look like, don't you?
A fashion designer?
No, a clown.
Oh no, that looks ridiculous.
Does it?
Right, now you're going to try on the things I like. Here you are. Oh, look, Dad. They look lovely, don't they?
Oh yes, very nice. Now hurry up, will you? I've had enough of this shopping.
OK, we've finished. Let's go home and have a nice cup of tea, shall we?
Come on, Mum and Dad. It's time to go.
Hello again. Today we will talk about question tags and reply questions. Let's start with question tags. Question tags are short questions added at the end of the sentence. The meaning depends on the intonation. If you want to ask for confirmation, use falling intonation. That shirt's a bit bright, isn't it? Of course it is, and the mother in the animation doesn't want her son to buy it. It's not a real question. But if you want to ask a real question, use rising intonation. That shirt's a bit bright, isn't it? I'm actually not sure about the colour and I want to know your opinion. We form question tags with an auxiliary verb, be, do or have, and a pronoun. She's not marrying that boring policeman, is she? I've got a perfectly decent suit already, haven't I? You know what I'm going to say, don't you? As you can see from the examples, question tags for affirmative sentences are usually negative. Question tags for negative sentences are usually positive. She's not marrying that boring policeman, is she? You didn't buy this jacket, did you? In sentences with modal verbs, we use the modal verb in the question tag as well. I should buy this t-shirt, shouldn't I? I shouldn't buy this t-shirt, should I? There are two question tags that are different than others. The question tag for I am is aren't I? I'm pretty, aren't I? I'm late again, aren't I? And the question tag for let's is shall we? Let's meet in half an hour, shall we? Let's go home, shall we? And finally, the question tag for imperative sentences is will you? Hurry up, will you? Don't forget the present, will you? Now let's look at reply questions, shall we? You use reply questions to show interest in what somebody is saying and to signal that you want more details or keep the conversation flowing. You've grown about 15 centimetres since you last wore it. Have I? Oh no, that doesn't look good. Doesn't it? Unlike with question tags, with reply questions, you use affirmative reply questions with affirmative sentences and negative reply questions with negative sentences. And that's all for today. Thank you.